for the mothers who is young talking to mothers who see art for the mother, learn to know, waiting for study, encouraging dreams of yourself with honor, doing something for the family by adding to good addition with one's own best. She trusted with difficult circumstances. The gives the mother to be fulfilled for the mother's power, to be found in power, going forward at the speed of the beat. Mother Day is taking for the mother. Can I read another poem? Ma'am, can I
Uh,
read another poem?
okay, ma'am. That's okay. We'll be inviting for that another poem if it's we can hear you as well. If it's possible, kindly sit in a silent place too, because there's a lot of noise behind you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, perfect. Thank you so much. It was
Wait.
amazing, amazing, Priyanka ma'am. So, Dr. Deepthi, if you can announce once again for the recording so I can try it out. Let's see. Over to you.
Yes, ma'am. To honor this special day, some of our dear students have created heartfelt Mother's Day video and messages. These videos are filled with love, emotion, gratitude, and respect. The perfect gift for every mother out there.
Hi guys, my name is Sirius. I'm here to start. Today is Mother's Day and I want to wish my mother. So let's start. Here we go. Mama, what's today? I don't know. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, really? 11 May.
Yeah, today is the 11th May.
Mama, thank you for bringing me and this life. You're the best mother in the world and do remember, all the days are yours, Sunny.
Oh, because of you, I become a mom. Thank you for making me this one.
Greetings everyone, my name is Priyanshu and today is Mother's Day. So I surprised my mother and let's start shall we go. Mother, what's new today?
No, I don't know.
Today is Mother's Day and you are the greatest mom of the world. And this is your friend.
Thank you.
My pleasure. And once again, happy Mother's Day to all of you. Bye.
Bye.
Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Welcome to the Entertainment Smart Classes where you can learn English swiftly. I am Rimpi. Now I am going to present a short video on Mother's Day. I missed you, Mom. I remember you always. When I remember you, you gave me strength and willpower. When I stuck in any problem, then you show me a way. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am a Yasi Shining Star Poonam Maneja. Today I am going to wish my mother on Mother Day. You are the sunshine in the darkest phase of my life. Thank you, Mom. I love you, Mom.
You have brought so much love and light into our family, my dearest.
Thank you for embracing me as your own daughter. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. And this is for you.
Thank you.
Always welcome, Mama.
Hello, Mama. Hello, Happy Mother's Day. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow. It's very sweet. Thank you. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Greetings everyone, my name is Radha Badre. So, today I am here and today is Mother's Day. So, today I am here and I will give a surprise to my mother. And it is a calendar which I got in my return gift. But I didn't use that now. So, I will gift it to my mother and today is Mother's Day. So, let's come. Hello everyone.
Hello.
This is my mother and her name is Bhavna Bhatkar. So today I am gifting her a calendar which I got in my return gift.
Thank you, Aradhya.
Greetings everyone, so my name is Pavni and everyone knows that today is Mother's Day. So let's go and give surprise to my mother. I made these cupcakes. Mom, tell me, what is today?
Today is Sunday.
Something special.
I don't know.
Today is Mother's Day and I made cupcakes for you.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Hi guys, my name is Sis.
So let's give a huge
Wow.
applause for all of them. Well done, well done, well done. I would request to all the daughters to and son to keep, sit, ask them to ask your mom to sit with you. So it will be amazing because it's time to appreciate them also for 5 minutes. Okay. So it will be great. Yes, Dr. Deepti, you were saying something, please. Over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Simran is going to do. Over to Simran.
First award goes to Pavni.
Awards, we will be giving it to you later. I will be letting it know. But if you want to say upon this, okay. So, Rani ma'am, as you have seen all of the videos, so what would you like to share up it up, please? Over to you.
I really didn't expect this, but I think that all the students grasp the emotion of the day, and I think that they were surprised, definitely surprised their mothers. It was evident. And again, I want to say that your mother as your first teacher, don't forget this. Our mother is your biggest cheerleader, and someone who sacrifices so much without expecting anything in return. So I loved that these small actions of kindness, of love that you showed, it really gave us a lesson today, because say thank you, not just in words, but through your actions. This is more meaningful. And also remember, spend time with her, help her with something, or simply let her know how much she means to you. So many congratulations, because all these videos were a beautiful reminder to cherish and respect the people who love us unconditionally. So wishing you and your families a meaningful and joyful Mother's Day. Bravo, bravo.
That's right,
Absolutely.
ma'am. And to appreciate the efforts and feelings behind those videos, ESC Institute has dedicated to present special award to our talented students. These awards are token of love for us for their sweet gestures.
Absolutely. So I want to do special, huge round of applause for especially mothers who has performed today with their daughters and son. So let's give a round of applause, everybody,
Yes.
everybody. Give it a clap. Because I know it's too tough task, because
Yeah.
I really understand. I know Rania ma'am, my mom is here at least
Yes,
even
I
speaking.
think
Yes. Yeah, you have
I
seen,
think
right?
they were shy.
Hello,
They
mama.
were a bit shy, but it was fine.
Yeah,
Oh,
she's always so shy. She is not ready to like, but mamas are always, hello, mama.
Hello, Mona. Hello.
Love you. You made it amazingly. बहुत अच्छा था आपका, and happy Mother's Day always. Today I have told her that Mama, it is happy Mother's Day, but though it's happy Mother's Day, but your days are always, every day is yours itself. And ये जो चीज हमें realize होती है ना, this we realize very very late. Whereas when I grown up, now I can realize this. Means on my whole entire life, I haven't realized कि मम्मा का भी अपना खुद का time होता है. She also have her own time. Because today, when I got married, so I don't even have a kids, but still I feel that I could not take out the time for the basketball playing, for singing, for rapping, many things. Or I can't believe that, I cannot even imagine that how when I'll be having a baby, how I'm going to check it out all this. So absolutely salute to all mamas who really sacrifices actually her life and do it. So बहुत लेट रियलाइज था, बट आई वुड से टू ऑल द किड्स कि आपको तो आज रियलाइज कराने के लिए हम हैं. सो ममा को रियलाइज कराओ इस बात को कि ममा आपका दिन हर दिन है, एंड आपको अभी भी खेलना नहीं छोड़ना है. यू कैन प्ले विद अस, you can still do things with us, you can still dance, you can still sing, you can still be alive, and you can also have a private personal space. हम उनको 1 मिनट का भी 1 मिनट का भी प्राइवेट पर्सनल स्पेस नहीं देते. Just she is even going for taking a bath also, we are knocking third, mama, where are you? And I'm telling you, we are still grown up, and when we go back to home, तो हम में से कोई भी जाता है, we don't care where is father, where is brother and all. At last they comes, but before, just as we reach, where is mama, where is mama? So mama is so important to all of us, and we are not ready to give them a second break, but we need to understand that how important it is. So those mamas today who have actually done it, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी आपने किया, randomly किया, and taken out the time. So proud of you. Thank you so much. And trust me, I could simply see here Aradhya Badgare's mom, Pavni's mom here, Kritika's mom here, and my mom especially. So as I'm not with her, so I said कि कोई बात नहीं, daughter-in-law, and वो भी तो सेम ही होते हैं. And even sir, I think Saraj mama, बेटा Saraj, आपकी मम्मा अच्छे से दिख नहीं रहे, तो थोड़ा एकदम bring her close up. And I would say, though all of you are actually nurtured amazingly, and trust me, salute to your nurturance. आप सच में बहुत ही अच्छी परवरिश दे रहे हो. और I'm so proud of your daughters and son who are doing it, and actually they are performing well, amazingly awesome, बहुत dedicated है. And see how it is. I one day I have written in the newspaper that we like empowerment, always given to the daughter and son by their mothers, but it's time to empower our mom also. So though our mom is enough empowered, but it is like they lost themselves somewhere. So it's time to knock them. तो बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि वो जिंदगी की इतनी सारी ट्रबल से निकले हैं और अभी भी है, तो उन्हें फिर से उस लेवल पे ले जाना, it's too tough. But bring it out. You can do that, and we can do that, my dear Shaista. I know, my mama knows. I used to, get her into dates. मैं उनको coffee shop ले जाया करती थी, like restaurants, movies. तो मम्मा बोलती थी, अरे ये कहाँ लेकर आती हो? यहाँ पे सब पता नहीं कपल्स आते हैं. तो मैंने कहा, मम्मा, you are my love, and we are here together. So that's actually, mama is our first love, first teacher. So इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट कि उन्हें हम लाइफ में कितना ही इम्पोर्टेंस फील करा है, वो कम है. सो लेट्स बी डेडिकेटेड टू हर. लेट्स नॉक एवरीवेयर wherever she is and check it out. Is she doing good? And it is very less happens every time mama comes and asks us, right, कि बेटा कैसे हो, how was your day and all. Do we ask mama, how are you, how was your day? So it's really important to ask her also. So let's do this from together from today itself, my dear Shining Stars. I don't know the random students who have made it the last time I could make the certificate or not, but we'll be checking it out. So it's time to share the certificates. जैसे जैसे हम सर्टिफिकेट शेयर करेंगे, आप थैंक यू भी बोल सकते हो रुककर, और क्लैपिंग्स भी कर सकते हो. ओके, everybody should clap for them. All right, are we ready, my dear Shining Stars? Perfect. Okay. So here we go. Our first certificate. So on Mother's Day, say we can start, and we'll move to talent show. Okay. So here we go. So yeah, Mrs. Manju with Priyanshu's mom who has made it. Thank you so much and congratulations. And I'm so proud of you.
Thank
I
you,
know.
ma'am.
I know, बेटा, आपने कैसे कन्विंस किया होगा मम्मा को कि मम्मा आई हैव टू मेक द वीडियो, एंड इट्स टू टफ मम्मा को कन्विंस करना इस टाइम पर, क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत साल पहले सब चीजें छोड़ दी है, एंड देन अगेन वी मेक इट. So it is, I'm so proud of you, did it. Now another one we have, guess, let's move to Shalini, Mrs. Shalini with us, Pavni's mom.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shalini, Yeah, Shalini ma'am, I'm so proud of you and your daughter. She is doing great, great. Her expressions, her confidence, we all are so proud of this. So
Thank you.
keep it up. Yeah. Next, we have Bhavna Badkare. So, congratulations, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, Aradhya Badgari is also like one of the brightest student and she's doing great and all because the way you nurture, though you people are going from so hard time, but still this smiling, keeping on the face and taking care of her. I'm super like proud of you. You are warrior, ma'am. I know how thing goes. So thank you so much, ma'am. Next we have Pavni. So guys, everybody should clap for Pavni.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Congratulations. Next, we have Aradhya Badgare.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations. And then we have Rimpi Garg, Rimpi ma'am. Kudos, ma'am. Are you there, Rimpi ma'am? Okay, cool. Next, we have Vishaka Burse, my own Bhabhi. Well done. You did a great job. You're also going through the hard schedule, but yeah, you did it. So congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
And next we have after this okay, my mom Tabur se. So congratulations, mama. वो mama
बेटा
for you
यादू
I am the biggest gift. मैं सबसे बड़ी gift हूँ आपके लिए. So I believe so. I believe you're most
थैंक यू
happy. Thank you so much, mama. You know, my dear shining stars, I always say getting a award and trophies doesn't make me that happy. When it makes me happy when my mama papa calls me and say that great beta, I'm so proud of you. And I know I have achieved a lot and mama ke paas itne calls aate the, like there were so many calls together. How do you feel when your daughter get this and all? So mama also cried with the happiness that how can you make me so happy? Like every other, person is so proud of me. And this really makes me so happy about it. So just because of you, mom. So congratulations next, Poonam ma'am.
Thanks a bunch, ma'am.
Next we have after Poonam ma'am, we have let's see. Yes, Amandeep Bharti. Amandeep Bharti, are you there? No? Okay. Next, so I think Anmol is there. Congratulations, Anmol.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Yes, ma. Yes, Deepti ma'am. I'll be taking the name. You can praise them. No problem. Next, we have Priyanshu.
Wow. Well done.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
keep it up, Priyanshu. You are literally doing a great job. I'm always so proud of you because in a very short period of time, you are trying it and you are doing like literally, we could see that hard work in you. So keep it up. Next, we have Seerath. So congratulations, Seerath. Well done.
Yes, ma'am.
And then we have after Seerath, let's see, Dr. Deepti Nagpal, the first video made by
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a million.
Well done, Deepti ma'am. Though you made a very like the first video made by you only. So keep it up, keep it up. You made it a great job. And then Rania ma'am, all the way from Greece. So thank you so much, Rania ma'am.
Wow.
It is the token of appreciation from our side to you because the way you judge our student and bringing that encouragement to them in every situation. I know your schedule is too hectic, but still you make it in your own way. So that's beautiful. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you very much. You know, I can cancel everything in order to be with you. You know very well. I have done it many times throughout this year.
Absolutely. Because
And
there
I will
are
do it
our
again.
ESC stars, right, ma'am?
Yes.
So, yeah. Ma'am is always like, ma'am said that. Now I feel like they are my ESC stars also. So absolutely. And let me tell you, they have initially decided to do the one session in a day, in a month, but now they are doing several. So this is something beautiful, my dear Shining Star. You're so fortunate. बचपन में तो मैंने सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था कि मुझे फॉरेन के टीचर पढ़ाने को मुझे मिलेंगे. But you got this. Wow! Congratulations. So you are so fortunate that you got all the global educators around you. So you are superb. So whatever I haven't got, I missed it. So I really managed for all of you. And now it's time for those students like talent shows. Yesterday we had a talent show and all of you have performed amazingly. आप सबने बहुत अच्छा perform किया, my dear Shining Stars. And it was truly wonderful. So keep it up. Keep doing like
Thank
this
you, ma'am.
because you're welcome. And it was truly, I think, with the whole confidence. So, बहुत सारा confidence I could see. So, let's start with the talent shows. So, I would be sharing only those videos जो students यहाँ पर है उनको. So, here we go. So, first, absolutely, our judge, Rania ma'am. So, Rania ma'am, this is a talent show certificate. So, thank you so much once again for the appreciation and all.
My
So guys,
pleasure.
keep clapping everybody. And then we have Seerat again for I think Seerat was not there yesterday, right? So let's put it Kritika. So well done, Kritika. And then we have after Kritika. Kritika, are you there?
Thanks a ton, ma'am.
You're welcome. I'm so proud of you, Kritika. You did a great job. And lots of confidence you have. And next we have, let's see, Deepti ma'am. So let's clap for again, Deepti ma'am.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank
Well
you so
done.
much, ma'am.
And next we have, I would have made a video, but you students have sent me everything later. But anyway, no problem. Aditya Singh, are you there? Yeah. So congratulations, Aditya Singh. Here we go.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Aditya, only one thing. थोड़ी सी और smile लेकर आओ बेटा. Your smile, we need it more. But you're doing a great job. Next we have Saransh. So let's give a huge applause to Saransh.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Congratulations, Saransh. Well done, well done. You are doing great. बहुत late आए, but बहुत जल्दी you can do this. So I'm so proud of you. Next we have Priyanshu. Well done, Priyanshu. Priyanshu is still unmuting. Okay, after Priyanshu, we have Madhu Sharma ma'am. She is not here, but she is actually she has got a huge injury in her leg, but still she has performed yesterday. So wonderful. Keep it up. Next we have गाइस जिन्होंने मुझे अपना नाम शेयर किया था बस मैं उन्हीं के सर्टिफिकेट शेयर कर पा रही हूँ क्योंकि जिन्होंने मुझे नाम नहीं शेयर किया तो हाउ कुड आई डू दैट सो आपको नाम शेयर करना चाहिए था और नहीं किया तो प्लीज शेयर इट टू मी लेटर सो आई कैन शेयर इट टू यू ओके सो आई बिलीव ऑलमोस्ट ओके या नेक्स्ट वी हैव रिम्पी मैम कंग्रेचुलेशंस रिम्पी मैम वेल डन
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Anybody else whose certificate is left, guys? किसी का certificate है जो रह गया है?
Ma'am, my certificate is left. Ma'am,
Your certificate. Okay, so congratulations, Pavni. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Perfect. Next, Aradhya Badgare's certificate is left to the talent show. So let me see. Yeah, here we go. Congratulations, Aradhya Badgare.
Thanks a million, ma'am.
Perfect, perfect. I believe Simran, on the very first time I have shared your mom's certificate. If you have missed, so later you seen the recording, my dear. Now, so yeah. Anybody else, guys, who is left? किसी का रह गया है जिन्होंने मुझे अपना नाम भेजा था और मैंने फिर भी सर्टिफिकेट शेयर नहीं किया. आपने
Mine
मुझे
certificate.
Priyanka ma'am certificate is I made that. Just a minute. So Priyanka ma'am, you are you in the silent place or you want to recite another poem also? So you can.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Here we go. Congratulations, Priyanka ma'am. It is your certificate. Congratulations. Can you see Priyanka ma'am? Okay, maybe
Yeah,
she's facing
thank
some
you,
network.
ma'am.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay, I will.
Yeah. Prem beta,
My
I'll make
poem.
your certificate. आपने मुझे अपना नाम नहीं भेजा होगा. You haven't sent me your name, but I can see your mom and you. So happy Mother's Day to your mom and you. So well done. But you performed amazingly. बहुत अच्छा perform किया था आपने. But Prem, only the one thing is this: you haven't shared me your name. But I'll try. जब तक Priyanka ma'am is making, reciting her poem, I'm sharing your certificate. Okay? अभी भी कोई स्टूडेंट है जिन्होंने अपना नाम नहीं शेयर किया, so you can send it and I'm going to share it to you now. Okay? Yes, Priyanka. Oh, Dr. Priyanka, over to you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. My poem name is Poem is Reality. Poet M.B. Priyanka Nengi. In the poem, we live in the poem. East poetry in poetry, day and night, finding the trend of drawing images in the poem. Real fake Bani's dreams float in the country. I share my thoughts in poetry. Poetry shows the day looking for the way. The name works brighter. Feel the mind to feel the mind with the test. The childhood returns to the time. Tightness the head of the head to give courage. The mind and hungry of the mind pushes new paths and success. Provide the excellence of the origin. Life is created by the rules of motion. The light shines in my mind with determination. In protest, the precision of protest, putting the power to stop. The key to opening the lock gives the sound of being adamant. Poem is a minor of social reality. Thank you, ma'am.
Superb, Priyanka ma'am. With whole emotions, you made this poem, and this is something wonderful. There was one of the poem which I have made, but it is in Hindi, so I would not like to show in English, share in English platform. But I would simply say that if I got it this, I'll be sending it to you because I've written. That was a beautiful poem on mother, where I've written that how we treat our mom from a very, like, when we are 1 year old to till she is, till she leaves us. So it is very emotional poem, and I'm so afraid of sharing even on the, on any sessions truly, because I made two things on one mother and even on father. But I'm telling you, if I even listen to that, I get emotional, and absolutely others absolutely get emotional and they cry so easily. So I always try not to means share directly, but yeah, you can simply go through it and listen to it because कभी कभी सच बहुत ही इमोशनल होता है, but it's very important to see it, right? So here you go, Prem Thakre, your video, your certificate, my dear. ये रमनदीप मैम का है. Congratulations, Ramandeep ma'am. This is here we go. And next we have.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome, Prem Thakre. Congratulations, Prem Thakre. Everybody should clap for him. Well done,
Thank you
Prem.
so much.
You're doing great job, Prem. Keep continuing. I'm so proud of you. And then we have Dikshant. So congratulations, Dikshant. Perfect. Okay. So, my dear Shining Stars, so huge applause for each and every one. You all did a great job. Only two, three things are there which we need to take care because it's quite hectic for me if you send me the very last moment. Okay. And I cannot ignore you. Okay. So, you basically ignores your teacher very well. So teacher is also a second parent always, and वो कहते हैं ना कि आप मम्मा को कितना इग्नोर कर लो, टीचर्स को कितना इग्नोर कर लो, but teachers cannot do this. So it's quite hard for us, but do not do this. हम न्यू पेरेंट्स हैं, न्यू टीचर्स हैं, ओके? तो हम लोग इग्नोर कर सकते हैं. So don't you think अब हमें 90s की मॉम मत समझो कि तो हम लोग इग्नोर नहीं करेंगे और 90s की टीचर्स. You do remember next time it shouldn't be happen. Immediately when you perform something, you should share your name, okay, and share your videos and everything, whatever you're gonna get it. अब हम सब क्या करेंगे, एक साथ वीडियो ऑन करेंगे. Everybody should turn on the video. It's something, Dr. Deepti and Simran, would you like to say something?
Yeah, yes,
I'm
ma'am.
ending it before. Yeah, before ending. Yeah, over to you. Yes, Dr. Deepti.
Every single video brought a smile to our faces. Thank you, dear student, for reminding us how special mother truly are. You made this celebration unforgettable.
And I would like to say one thing to all our lovely viewers. Don't miss this chance to say I love you to your mom. A hug, a message, even a simple thank you can make her your mother's day. So let's continue spreading love and gratitude to your moms.
Happy Mother's Day
Happy
from the
Mother's Day from the
ESC Institute family. May all mothers be showered with love today and always.
Thank you.
Dear Shining Stars, though it's like right now it's tough for me to go with the beats because beats चलाती YouTube copyright कर देता है. So and I do not know how to go with the beats, but I'll try without a beat. If I could do a short and sweet rap for on mom, so it goes, yo, listen up. 1 to 100 and beyond. Mama is the one who holds it down, never wrong. From tapas to degree, she's always on the scene, guiding love and supporting ultimate queen. She is the sunshine in our lives, the calm in every storm, the only who wipes our tears and keeps us warm. So here's to moms everywhere. On a special day, we celebrate you in every way. Happy Mother's Day to young to old. You are appreciated, loved, and never grow cold. So always be enthusiastic, my dear Shining Stars.
Wow, it's amazing. Wonderful.
And today I would miss the chance to say in Hindi also. जो audience हमें देख रही है, इसका मतलब ये था कि हमारी मम्मा हमारे साथ जब तक हम जिंदा है रहती है और हमें होल्ड अप करती है, चाहे हम सही करें या गलत करें, चाहे डायपर पिलाने से लेकर हमें डिग्री होल्ड करने तक का टाइम हो, चाहे वो किसी भी तरह का सीन हो, शी इज अल्टीमेट क्वीन टू अस. And she's sunshine because I understand. I cannot even imagine though beyond the time, but yeah. So every day, Mama, हम बता नहीं पाते, but from all the daughters and son, I would say, आप सब हमारे लिए very very special हो. आप नहीं होते तो हम नहीं होते, and you makes us amazingly awesome. So thank you so much. Being a mom really need a great sacrifice, and you did this. We all love you. Before saying the last thing, I want to listen one more time to Rania ma'am before
Yeah.
ending. Over to you.
Before closing, I want to recite one very, very, very short poem, me too, for mothers, if you allow me. My mother's love is warm and deep. She sings us songs to help us sleep. With gentle hands and caring eyes, she lifts us up when we cry. She works so hard, both day and night, to make our world feel safe and right. She teaches us to laugh and grow, to dream, to learn, and all she knows. Through every hug, through every smile, she walks with us each extra mile. Her love is pure, her heart is true. Dear Mama, there is no one quite like you. I want to say what an incredible event this has been to celebrate with all the dear, amazing mothers of our Shining Stars. The first time that I connected with them, and I'm very happy. Through the whole year, we have had the joy of witnessing amazing performances, not just yesterday, but the whole year, the last years, 2 years, 3 years, I think, Matvi, when did we start? Amazing performances that lit up the stage, from singing to poetry and much more. And our students have truly shown us that talent has no limits. And every act was a reminder of the creativity, of courage and passion that lies within all our young stars. So to all the award winners, we are proud of you, your effort, your spirit are equally commendable. To all the mothers, that you should be very proud for your kids, not only for their academic performances, but mostly because these children have true moral values and ethics. And I know firsthand, I know from my experiences that this is true. Heartfelt congratulations and thanks to you, Dr. Matvi, for your incredible leadership, guidance, and encouragement, which are the foundation behind every success that we celebrate today. And as we bring this event to a close, let's carry the spirit of encouragement, of celebration with us, and let's continue to support each other, support each other's growth in talent, in learning, and in life. So thank you once again, and have a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you.
Eternal gratitude, Anya ma'am, and this poem was actually stupendous, and it was heart touching. So thanks a lot. Dr. Priyanka, would you like to say something?
यस मैम, एक्चुअली मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि जब हम बच्चे थे या लोग बच्चे थे, बच्चे क्या करते हैं, मेरी मामा हम लोग को बच्चे को संभालते हैं, सबसे ज्यादा डिपेंडिंग होती है हमारी मामा। तो जो लोग ये देखेंगे, मैं सबको रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ कि आपके मम्मी पापा जब बुढ़ापे पे आ जाएंगे तो आप उनका माँ बाप बन जाना और मम्मी पापा को आपका बेटा बना देना। आप उनको लगे कि हाँ, मेरे पास मेरी मम्मी पापा है, मेरे पास मेरी बेटा बेटी नहीं है। और मम्मी पापा को ऐसा रियलाइज मत देना कि वो लोग बुढ़े हो चुकी है, बल्कि उनके साथ ऐसा बिहेवियर करना कि वो खुद पे खूब मेंटली यंग रहे। क्योंकि अगर मम्मी पापा यंग रहते हैं ना, तो तब हमको बहुत स्ट्रांग मिलते हैं। तो वो लोग मुस्कुराते हैं, तो वही हमारे लिए सबसे बड़े गिफ्ट होते हैं। सो ऑलवेज कीप पेशेंट माइंड, मम्मी पापा को अच्छा रखना, क्योंकि आप जब ऐसा करेंगे तो आप साथ भी वैसा होगा। हमारे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन बाय नेक्स्ट जनरेशन यही होते रहेंगे और अच्छे फैमिली होंगे सब। थैंक यू।
Absolutely, Dr. Priyanka, very true, and that is what. Yeah, that is what I was saying to every student, that not only in the old age, but from now, from today, from right now itself, you start making them feel young and start playing with them, start sharing with them, start asking them, and make them feel young itself. Okay, we are going short of the time, so Rimpy ma'am, fast and fluent. What do you want to ask and speak? Please go ahead. Rimpy ma'am, कुछ बोलना है आपको? You're raising your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
be quick. Yeah.
Can I say something, new generation?
Yeah, please faster. Over to you. Yeah, faster. We are getting it.
Mother is a small word, but whole word depend on a mother. Ma is a good guru. Ma is a good cooker. Ma is a good washerman. Ma is a good manageable house. Ma is a good teacher according to school. When my mother passed away, after that I realized if we are capable something do on my mother, then do it. Don't waste time. Don't wait exact time. If we are capable, then do it. If we want something, do on mother. Thank you, ma'am.
Very true, Rimpy ma'am. Perfectly said, because absolutely ये बात बहुत ही सैड है, बट पूछना हमें उन्हीं से चाहिए जिनकी मम्मा उनके साथ नहीं है आज. So how painful the moment is. जब है तो हमें पूरा उनका जितना साथ दे सकते हैं, तो let's give that whole way, connection to her, because we are enough lucky and fortunate that today she is there with us. So all of my dear shining stars, what you all have to do is, और जो नहीं है जिनकी मम्मा, मैं उनसे ये भी कहना चाहूंगी, आप हो और हम माँ की परछाई होते हैं. सो एंड मैं अपनी मम्मी की परछाई हूँ. Like when I see her picture and my picture, so I'm completely like her. So only the thing is थोड़ी मैं stylish रहने लगी because of the time scenario, but she was so simple, but always, but the ethics, the values, everything is in us, right? So वो हमारे अंदर होना चाहिए. That should be in us. So that is what I'm keeping with us, and I'm telling you, in every hard time, if I learned to smile just because of my mom, because I have seen my mom, that how she's very well, मतलब घर में किसी बात पे बहुत बड़ा quarrel हो गया, कुछ बहुत बड़ा argument हो गया, फिर भी she keeps smiling. Somebody is scolded her in any moment, but she's smiling. And then anytime, मैंने हर situation में smile करते देखा, and then I realized, wow, it is very easy to smile in every situation, and this is a powerful thing, and I'm telling you today because of this, Deepti ma'am, recent thing, and मेरे पे इतना pressure होता है when I'm doing any hosting in the big shows and convocations and many of the things. So वहाँ पर, I keep smiling. I smile over there. So all because of mom. So this is how we learn from her, and this is how the glimpse it is in our, soul. So last and least, we are going to listen to Madhu ma'am. Madhu, we have already shared your award, but you are quite late, and we understand your situation. So over to you, Madhu ma'am. Iske baad, please, nobody should speak. If you want to speak, you can share your video recordings because we are really getting late. हम पूरी
Yes,
night यहाँ
yes,
पे
yeah,
spend नहीं कर
yeah.
सकते. Yeah, over to you, Madhu ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Dr. Madhavi. As you all know, that recently I have lost my mother.
Yes, ma'am. We know that absolutely. But
I would
yeah.
like to speak a small poem for her.
Sure, go ahead,
If roses grow in heaven, Lord, please pick a bunch for me, place them in my mother's arms, and tell her they are from me. Tell her I love her and miss her, and when she turns to smile, place a kiss upon her cheek and hold her for a while. Because remembering her is easy. I do it every day, but there's an ache within my heart that will never go away. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Madhu ma'am, and I'm so proud of your mama and you as well, because she is the proudest mom ever. Because I know how you are, and we all know how you are. So, uh, we know that how it works, but we cannot actually understand until unless things happens. But yeah, but we love you, and we understand the whole situation which you are facing. So God should give you that, and oh, she's always so proud of you. So please keep that strength, and
Yes,
with
ma'am.
one thing
For
only we can do is
her
we can keep
emotional,
giving it, right?
yes,
Yeah.
ma'am, for her emotional video that truly captured the essence of a mother's love. Well done, Madhu ma'am.
Yeah, and we all love you, ma'am. And सबसे best part होता है जब हम देते जाते हैं. अब आप अपनी daughter को दोगे, then again. So this is something beautiful. Things happens always. So, Maria Shining Stars, now it's time to say all together two things, okay, by unmuting. I love you, mom, and happy Mother's Day, okay? So these two things will speak loud, clear, with all his mind. Wherever she is, she should hear this, okay? So unmute yourself and all together two lines. I love you, mom, and happy Mother's Day, okay? So 1, 2, 3, start. I
I
love
love
you,
you,
mom.
mom.
Happy Mother's
Happy
Day.
Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
And thank you so much. And once again, we are going to say this in the next recording. Thank you so much, all of you who are watching us. Recording के बाद भी बहुत कुछ करते हैं, but for that you have to join Yes Institute. Till the time, bye bye. And we are doing this now. The next apart from the recording, and see you in the next video. Okay, my dear sir.